Welcome back to BBB's 5-Minute English, where we talk about real life and simple English. I'm Luis.
And I'm Emmy. Today we're talking about something we all do, every single day, scrolling. We scroll through our phones, our apps, our feeds, and sometimes we just can't stop.
Oh yes, the endless scroll. You pick up your phone to check one message, and 30 minutes later, you're watching a video of a dancing cat, wondering how you got there.
Exactly. I do that too. I tell myself, just one video, but then there's another one, and another. Suddenly, it's midnight, and I'm still watching.
So why does this happen? Why can't we stop scrolling? Scientists say it's all about dopamine, a tiny chemical in our brain that makes us feel good. Every time we see a new post, our brain gives us a little reward.
Like a digital candy. We keep scrolling because we want more little hits of happiness. But the problem is, the more we scroll, the harder it becomes to stop.
That's right. It's not just fun, it's design. Social media apps are made to keep you watching, liking, and scrolling. Infinite scroll, notifications, autoplay, they're all tricks to grab your attention.
It's a bit scary, isn't it? Our phones know how to make us stay. But maybe we can take back control. Luis, do you ever try a digital detox?
Yes, I do. Sometimes I leave my phone in another room when I work. At first, it feels strange, but after a few minutes, my mind feels clear, like fresh air for my brain.
That's a great idea. I try to stop scrolling 1 hour before bed. It helps me sleep better. Otherwise, my brain is still busy with images and sounds.
Exactly. Our brains aren't built to handle endless information. In the past, people read one newspaper a day. Now, we read hundreds of posts in an hour.
No wonder we feel tired all the time. Sometimes, after scrolling, I feel like I did nothing, but my brain feels exhausted.
You're not alone. Many studies show that too much scrolling can make us feel anxious, lonely, or even sad. We compare ourselves to others and forget that online life is not real life.
That's so true. Everyone posts their best moments, their vacations, their smiles, but not their bad days. We see only the highlight reel.
So maybe the first step to feeling better is being aware. When you notice you're scrolling for no reason, just stop and take a deep breath.
Yes. Ask yourself, why am I doing this right now? Am I bored, sad, or tired? Sometimes, our phones become a way to escape emotions we don't want to feel.
Beautifully said. And now, it's time for our listener question. What do you think? Why do you scroll? A. Because it's relaxing. B. Because it's fun. C. Because it's just a habit. Tell us in the comments below, we love reading your thoughts.
And if you want to break the habit, start small. Try 10 minutes without your phone. Go outside, stretch, or just sit quietly. You'll be surprised how calm you feel.
Or replace scrolling with something positive, like listening to English podcasts. Laughs, you can learn and relax at the same time.
That's right. Learning English is way better than endless scrolling. And speaking of learning, let's go over 3 useful English words from today's talk.
The first word is scroll. It means moving up or down on a screen to see more content. Example 1, I scroll through my phone before bed. Example 2, don't scroll while crossing the street.
The second word is dopamine. It's a chemical in your brain that makes you feel happy. Example 1, exercise gives you dopamine. Example 2, social media also triggers dopamine, but only for a short time.
And the third word is detox. It means removing something harmful from your life or body. Example 1, I'm doing a digital detox this weekend. Example 2, a social media detox can help you sleep better.
Wonderful. So remember, it's okay to use your phone, but don't let your phone use you. Take breaks, stay mindful, and enjoy the real world too.
Thank you for listening to BBB's 5-Minute English. If this episode made you think, give us a like, share it with a friend, and maybe put your phone down for a little while. See you next time.
Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. I truly appreciate your support. Before you leave, please give this video a like and add it to your favorites. And if you'd like to keep learning together with me, don't forget to subscribe to BBB Learning English. See you in the next video.